series of class 10th. In this series we will start one of the most important chapters of your syllabus, that is trigonometry. You can see on the screen as well. We are going to start this series from this chapter, right? Let's get started. So trigonometry, what does it mean? What does it mean of this word, that is trigonometry? So trigonometry is nothing but it is a branch of mathematics in which we studies the relationship between side lengths and angles of the triangles. You can see on the screen as well. This is the definition of trigonometry, right? So we just study we study the relation between side lengths and angles of the triangles. So what kind of the triangles we are going to study in this chapter or unit, we can say. So basically this trigonometry revolves around. So yes, what kind of triangles do we study in this chapter, right? So this trigonometry always revolves around right angle triangle, right? You must have heard the name of this triangle. The triangle whose one of the angles is 90 degree is referred to as right angle triangle, right? This one. So this angle is 90 degree. So one of the angles is like 90 degree, then we call this triangle as right angle triangle. So this trigonometry revolves around this kind of triangles, that is right angle triangle, right? So now moving to next point. So we have been studying maths. We have been learning maths since childhood, so we know that in maths we always get formulas in chapters. So similarly in this chapter we have so many formula. So but don't worry, we no, need not to learn those. Need not to learn those formula. We will try to learn the making those formulas, right? So first, using few concepts. So one of the concepts is this one, you can see on the screen as well, that is first and last concept. This one, first and last concept, right? Now how it works, right? So you need to learn only few things, that is there are 6 trigonometry functions. You can see on the screen as well, that is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. You are to learn these all trigonometric functions, right, in this sequence. That only you are to learn, and then we will try to learn the concept, and then you need not to learn the formula. You will like able to make all the formulas, right? So how it works, this first concept we are going to study, this first concept, then how it works. So you can see that you are to see that how this concept works, and you are to see similar, and together you are to see the pattern of those concepts, like, right? So you see, first and last concept we are going to use over here. So there are 6 trigonometric functions. The first function is sine theta, you can see on the screen, and the last function is cosec theta. So what could be the formula of sine theta? That is sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. So I have used last function making the formula of first function, right? So now come to the last function, that is cosec theta. So how will I make this formula for this function? So that is, so for last trigonometric function we are going to use the first trigonometric function, that is sine theta. So what could be the formula of cosec theta? That is 1 upon sine theta, right? So that's how we use this concept, that is first and last concept. Now we have done with these 2 concepts, that is sine theta and cosec theta. Now what are our new first and last trigonometric function, that are cosec theta and sec theta. So when we are going to make when we are going to make the formula for cos theta, what is the last trigonometric what is the new last trigonometric function over here, that is sec theta. So then what could be the formula for cos theta, that is 1 upon sec theta, right? So you are to use the name of concept, and you are to learn the sequence as well, you are to learn the pattern as well, right? That's how then you will be able to make the formula as well. So sec theta, what could be the formula of sec theta? This is the new last trigonometric function, so we are going to use first trigonometry function, new first trigonometric function, that is cos theta. So what could be the formula for sec theta, that is 1 upon cos theta. Now we have done with cos theta and sec theta as well. So what should be our new trigonometric function, that is first new trigonometric function, that is tan theta, and the last new trigonometric function, that is cot theta. Now you are to tell me in the comment box that what could be the formula of tan theta in terms of cot theta, and what should be the formula of cot theta in terms of tan theta. Right, now moving to very most important formula of tan theta, that is very important, and you are to learn this one. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. You are to learn this one. That is one of the most important formula of this chapter, right? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And now you are to make the formula for cot theta using this concept, first and last concept, and you have to tell me this what could be the formula of cot theta using sin theta and cos theta in the comment box, right? So on this note, we conclude this video. Thanks for watching.